How to track someone's phone legally with permission. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to legally track someone with their permission using the built-in family sharing feature. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on the phone you want to track. Tap on the name at the top, then scroll down and select Family Sharing. Now tap Location Sharing and make sure it's turned on. Then go back. Next, tap Add Member icon at the top right and enter your Apple ID to invite yourself to their family group. The person must accept this invitation from their own phone. Once that's done, go back to your own iPhone and open the Find My app. Tap on the People tab at the bottom. You'll now see their location in real time as long as location services are enabled on their phone. This is 100% legal, secure, and works great for kids, spouses, or elderly family members, as long as everyone agrees and gives permission. So, if you've ever needed to stay connected for safety or peace of mind, this is the easiest way to do it. That's how you can track someone's phone legally with permission. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment if you want a guide for Android tracking next. That's all for the video.